Another unit testing tayo. Colt MK18 GBBR. And then, yung isang test pa natin is the MK18 naman, na Colt din, pero AEG. So, magkaiba sila ng colorway. Okay? So, unahin natin itong GBBR. So, front assembly is around 9.5 inches. And then, may complete marking siya, license markings. And then, naka front and rear sights na. Or may kasamang front and rear sights. Knight's armament. And then, meron siyang metal receiver. With complete Colt markings. So, may butterfly swivel na rin for sling attachment. Naka-crane stock version 1. Adjustable. And then, naka-metal charging handle. So, kasamang magazine is 30 rounds na magazine. And then, guys, ito may license card siya from EMG. And then, may kasama na rin palang BB loader. Okay, so, itest natin. Check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. Ayan, pakita muna natin. Yung colorway pala nung front assembly niya, guys, hindi siya full black May pagka siya, pagka brown. Oh, parang dark brown. May pa ako dito. May coach ako Okay. So guys, test natin.
Yes.
382. Yan, ilan?
440.
440. So yung 414. So yung una, parang lang yun, parang supot lang, no, 'di ba? Okay, auto. Yan, sobrang lakas ng blowback. Okay? So again, guys, Colt MK18 GBBR. So sinafety ko na 'yan. Okay, punta tayo dun sa sa next na unit. Yung AEG na MK18 two-tone. So rin siya, may license markings din siya, and then meron din siyang card. So from EMG Cybergun. And then ayan, makikita nyo guys, may complete marking siya, license markings, the same spec, the same external dun sa nauna nating tines. Pero ito AEG. And then may front and rear sights din. Adjustable yung rear sights. Metal charging handle. Then receiver is metal with complete markings. Medyo, kung i-compare mo to dito, medyo parang mas polido yung markings ito, no? Ng GBB. Pero the same naman to guys, still, license markings. Kung hindi nyo trip mag GBBR, pwede naman kayo mag AEG. And then, battery compartment, guys, nasa likod yung, yung compartment. Ang kasya dito, 2C type battery. And then, naka-SL stock siya. And then, yung magazine niya is a 300 rounder na T-Mag. Okay, so, itest natin. And saktuhan lang yung magazine niya. .420. So for the trigger response, maganda yung trigger response niya. And kumbaga parang ano bang ibig sabihin? Parang ano ba? Nasa dulo ng dila ko
Basahin natin.
Hindi, parang anong tawag dito? Hindi, parang responsive, ganon, no. Sorry. Mas maganda yung response nito, pakita ko sa inyo. Kumbaga, medyo less delay siya compared dun sa mga ibang unit sa market. And syempre, napakagwapo.
Pati yung naghawak.
Sakto lang. Okay. So, yun. Colt MK18 guys. Check nyo na lang din sa natin, March arrivals natin. Ngayon lang to na video mache-check nyo to sa March arrivals natin. Okay? So kung may tanong kayo regarding units, mag-PM lang kayo sa page natin. Thank you!